Teknetics T2 Special Edition Target IDs for American Coins. Welcome to Digging with Deej. Welcome to Digging with Deej. Does this machine look familiar to you? It's not my Teknetics T2 Plus. This is the sister machine. I'm introducing my new Teknetics T2 Special Edition. She works very similar to the T2 Plus, but she's got a few more bells and whistles, and I will go over that in a separate video on how to operate her. But I thought I'd start out this video for those who already have this machine and give you an approximate VDI target ID for American coins. So let's say you get a target ID for a quarter, a common quarter. That doesn't necessarily mean that that's what you're going to dig, but having the target ID helps give you an idea if you have a diggable target. So grab a pen and paper and take some notes. Let's get started. So we're going to turn her on. She's going to cycle through the serial number. Okay, and we're going to put it on all metal, and we're going to go down to sensitivity. We're going to turn the sensitivity way down to like 20. Because we don't need to listen to all that. She's a very sensitive machine, and we don't need sensitivity for this test. So let's get started. So we're going to start out with a modern zinc penny. A copper 1976 penny. A wheat penny. An 1895 Indian head penny. An 1844 large cent, American large cent. A beautiful 2-cent piece. Then we go to nickels. A clad nickel, modern clad Jefferson nickel. 1943 war nickel, partially silver. A buffalo nickel, 1935. A V nickel, 1899. Then we're going to go to dimes. A clad Roosevelt dime. A silver Roosevelt dime. A winged Liberty or Mercury dime, 1920. A Barber 1916 dime. And an 1891 seated Liberty dime. Then we're going to go to quarter. A 1972 clad quarter, Washington. A 1951 silver Washington quarter. A 1925 Standing Liberty silver quarter. A 1903 silver Barber quarter. And my favorite, which I dug this spring, an 1858 seated Liberty quarter. Then we go to half dollars. We've got a clad Kennedy half. We've got a silver Kennedy half. We've got a silver 1952 Benjamin Franklin half. We've got a silver Walking Liberty half, 1936. We've got a 1909 silver Barber half. Then we go to a modern dollar coin. And this is a 2000 Sacagawea. And any other modern dollar coin will ring up pretty close to this that is the same composition as the Sacagawea. Then we have the 1972 Eisenhower clad dollar. And then we have the beloved, everybody dreams of digging, a 1921 silver Morgan half dollar. Now, for good measure, I have a coin that we all dream of digging. And it's not American, but you find it alongside large cents quite often. And it is an 1816 Spanish real. It's a 1 real. And then it's kind of a rite of passage. Everybody digs at one time or another a Chuck E. Cheese token. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, there's no guarantee that that's what you're going to dig, but if this VDI test will give you an idea if you have a diggable target. So get out and find your treasure, folks. If you're looking for more treasure hunting adventures, please check out some assorted playlists on different types of treasure hunting that I've created for replay. Get out and find your treasure, folks. It's just out there waiting. See you soon.